Hello and welcome to Workshops and Events. This is video number 4 in our help series. It's creating parent-teacher appointments. The audience for this video is private or public K-12 schools. There is a similar video in our corporate series. At this point, Royal College has added their teachers, you'll see here 14, and created their first parent-teacher event, which is shown in this card. Now it's time to create the teacher appointments. You'll notice that right now they're set at 0. So click the Teacher Appointments button. This will bring you to this page where you can view all appointments. So far, there are no appointments found in this parent-teacher event. We'll need to create them. Click Create Teacher Appointments. This brings up the creation page. You'll notice that the event is Parent-Teacher Night, March 2023. And select Teachers for Appointments. If you are going to include all of your teachers, that's easy. Just select all. If not, you might want just the primary or just the elementary or just the high school. To do this, you would search by primary, which would bring up the primary teachers. In the case for this video, we're going to select them all. This tells us we're going to create 15 appointments for 15 teachers. If you are missing a teacher or forgot to register somebody, you might want to go to their registering teachers using Excel spreadsheet. You can register them all. If you're just missing just one or maybe two, you can add them here by using this plus sign. When you check the data here, if there's something that needs to be changed, perhaps this should be grade 5 instead of grade 4, maybe, you can save it back before you save the appointments. Check the agenda. So this parent-teacher event is on March 17th. It goes from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. If you need to change that time or date, you'll need to click this link here. Now you will decide what is the normal appointment duration, the default appointment duration for your appointments. Let's say in this case it's 20 minutes. If we click 20 minutes, we'll see that the system will create 18 parent-teacher appointments for each selected teacher. If we click 30, you'll notice that we have 12 appointments. Let's go to 20. The appointment title by default is Meet the Teacher. You can change this if you wish. The appointment summary, the teacher will discuss progress of your child, is also editable if you wish. The room defaults to the room assigned to the teacher when you registered them. You'll notice in this case here, Mr. Gordon is in to be announced, while Miss Lynn is in room 224. If you've decided that Mr. Gordon should move to room 111, where he's going to hold his parent-teacher appointments, you can change it here. So now you have to determine if you're going to offer the teachers a break during this session. So in this case, we're from 1 o'clock to 7 p.m. Probably a break is in order at some point during these sessions. So you're going to offer a teacher break from 4 to 4:30, or if you wish, from 4, say, to 5, whatever. You make the change, and the system will offer a break from 4 to 5. This is the summary. The date is March 17, 2023. Appointments begin at 1, they end at 7. The teacher break will begin at 4, end at 5. We're going to create appointments for 15 teachers, and we're going to create 18 parent-teacher appointments for each teacher. This includes the breaks. Click Save. The system will build out and create all of the appointments here. All of the appointments are editable and will be editable also by the teacher themselves, so the teacher can edit or update their own appointments. You'll notice that the breaks are slightly colored in gray to indicate breaks. You can see that there from 4 to 4:20 for each teacher. And that's it for creating appointments for parent-teacher interviews.